Hey guys, so today is day 18. It's supposed to be day 19, but I didn't get to do one of the other workshops. I'm probably gonna do it. I should have checked if it was on today. Let me double check. Yeah, they still haven't put it up yet, so I would do it either this weekend or next week or something, or if they don't put it up and I don't have time, I'm not gonna do it. Yes, so today is day 18. Like I said, it's supposed to be day 19, but yeah. So today I'm doing 2 workshops today. I didn't even get enough sleep. I don't know now. My routine of sleeping is bad. I'll be going to bed late, and then when I sleep, I just want to get up. I know. Off topic. Who cares? But I'm just tired. I'm letting you guys know. I don't look tired, but my body's drained. But anyways, today what I'm going to learn about is Instagram. They're going to talk about IGTV more and the reels, the new reels that are like TikTok. I still haven't used it yet because it's like TikTok. I want that to keep it there, you know, but it's something new, right? Something new I should get into. Let me know in the comments if you guys have reels, and I'll check it out. So yeah, it's about 1:56. They're supposed to start at 2 their time, 12 p.m. So my camera was malfunctioning, but I got it to work. So this is it right here. Instagram 2020 practice for reels, IGTV, and more. It says join Instagram for a discussion with creators. I can't even read that. Oh my god, why is it blurry? Creators and emerging talent leader Jackson Williams, who will share a quick look back at last year at Instagram. Creator marketing leader Natalie Chan will chat with Kevin Frederick, and then he put his ad, oh how cute, on updates to Instagram creator monetization tools, and strategic partner manager Tiffany, I'm not gonna read the last name, will interview blah blah blah. So yeah, my camera was acting up. I don't know what happened. I fixed it. They started. I'll let you guys know what happens next, you know. So yeah, bye. Hey guys, so hopefully you can see me. My camera was acting up. I don't know why. Like, I'm like, this is the day I need the camera. Why do I look funny? Okay, there. So that wrapped up quick. They were speaking so quick, and I'm like, wait, because I'm so used to, like, when I do these workshops, I'm so used to them talking slow, and then I'm able to write down my notes and all. They're going through everything quick. They're like, I'm like, whoa. So I had to, like, try to catch everything. I did some parts, you know. So what I learned was about, they talked about reels, they talked about IGTV and monetization. So I'm gonna talk about reels first. Reels is basically just like, what is that called? TikTok. And they said you could do transitions on there. There was this one girl, she said she went viral. She did like change clothes, and she had like a cube or whatever. I was like, wow, I really need to get reels. They have it in the app. Like, I like how Instagram, they already have it built in the app. Well, the IGTV, that's a separate app. And I'm like, how many apps do I have on my phone? Because right now on my phone, I'm starting to download stuff because I really need it, and it's just like my phone's getting full. Like, I don't want to download IGTV. But for the reels, yeah, you could do that. You can do transitionings. Sorry, let me go through my notes. You could put songs, like there's a song on there, they said, and you could edit as well in there. And I was like, that is cool. So it's just like TikTok, but a little bit different. And then for IGTV, they have a playlist. And I was like, everybody's doing like a playlist like YouTube. That is so cool. They have a playlist. They have a preview feed. So you could preview before it's sent out. They also said that you could do thumbnails on there. Some guy was saying, make sure you have good catchy thumbnails and all. I was like, okay, makes sense. You could save your live streams onto your IGTV. I was like, wow, Instagram is really popping now. Because, to be honest, Instagram was getting boring. Like, all you just see is pictures, and like videos and stuff. But like now it's like different stuff that they're adding. IGTV, they said they have it now on the website. It's true. So like if I go on like Instagram.com, and then I go on my account and whatever and I sign in, it's there instead of just the app. I just seen it recently, I think like the beginning of this year or something. They have IGTV ads now, and I was like, wow. So ads are how you get paid. And then for live streams, they have the badge. They also have the shopping. They also have a shopping tab now, and I was like, wow. Because before you had to go like through a different tab just to see it, but now there's just a tab. And yeah, in order for you to get monetized now on IG, the monetization is to monetize your page. They said it is badges and shopping. So like, let me do a screen record and show y'all what I'm talking about, because some of you are probably like confused as to like what am I saying. So if I go to my Explore, they said to go to your Explore page. That is where you see everything. Like you see IG, you see shop, you see well-being, you see travel. Oh my god, they have different headings. I haven't been on, what is it called? Oh, that's a reel right there. I haven't been on IG for a long time. Well, I have, but like I haven't been staying on it because it's too much time consumed. So IGTV. Oh, okay, never mind. I thought I had to download the app. IGTV now is built into the Instagram app, because before I was just like, oh, you had to download separate. So IGTV is for longer videos, whereas your story, in your story you could only put for 15 seconds. So so this is something. So this video is 235, and then it tells you the views. I should start using this, but I don't know if I want to. Then I can add. Oh, I can add videos if I want. Wow, I did not know. I haven't used it. So then there's a shop that I was telling you guys about. My internet is pretty slow in my room. So what is this? It says brands you follow. Oh, the brands I follow. Okay. For the shopping. Okay. And then there's that. Okay. And then you can follow shops. I didn't know. So you can shop this. It tells you the price. So when you view the product, it tells you the price right away. I like that because I used to play with this a lot. I like it because you could see the price right away, and if you want to go, you can go look. And then it says you can ask a question, you can message, it tells you the price. You can save it right here, as you guys can see. You can view the website, and then there's a website. Everything all in one. This is like a business. Like IG stepped up their game. I like that. And then it says save pins. Like what I saved a lot here, as you guys can see. The reels, this is a reel. So due to copyright, I had to lower the volume, but what I was saying was that, as you can see here, they are posting whatever they have on TikTok, and they post it right on their reels. That's what every TikToker is doing right now. Yeah, everyone's putting their IG on here. I mean their, what is it called? Their TikTok stuff on here. And then you can comment. Oh, that's sick. Speaking of comments now, they have a new thing now where you can pin your comments. When I saw that, I was like, oh, I need this. Like, well, I do have it. As you can see, it says right there. See, she pinned the comments. It says, don't let this distract you from Breonna Taylor. So she did something about Breonna. All women rap about sex. Wow. Good thing I didn't like, you know. And then you can like it. They comment back. And then, yeah, this is so cool. The reels. But how do you get the reels is what I'm saying. Oh, the reels, they said you add a story. Yeah, they said you go here. And then it says hands-free layout boomerang. I don't think I have it. Do I have reels? Oh, it's right here. So there's live, as you can see. Oh, the live now tells you how many people are online. I never had that before. And then you can go live, you press that button, but we ain't gonna press that. And then there's a story as usual, and then it says reels. Create with reels. Record, edit short videos and share them to explore. Oh, it gets shared to explore. Okay, where anyone may be discovered. That is sick. And then after I post it, what happens? Oh, so here it says I can write a caption Also share on feed. Oh, so when I post it, it's going to be shared to the Explore page. That is sick. I love that. IG, you guys stepped your game up. That is sick. So it's going to be shared to the Explore, and it's going to be shared to my feed. Not my speed, sorry. So it says you may appear in the Explore and can be seen on Reels tab of your profile. Then it says cover. So, oh, you could add different covers if you want, or you could add from your thing. That is cool. And then stories. Oh, you can automatically add it to your story. Like I was saying, you could save the draft. Okay. That is like a TikTok right there. And then you could add all this or whatever. But how does she do the transitioning? Oh, you know how she did the transitioning? I think she kept adding videos. But how do you... Oh, you could filter it. But my thing is, how do you add videos? Oh, there's audio right here. So you could choose the song you want. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted. Oh, level up. Level up. Okay, yeah, we're not doing that. There's Rockstar. Oh, Popstar. Okay, Laugh Now. Let's hear this. Pop Smoke. But why is it not playing this song? So there's Drake. Let's say we play that a bit. Choose which part you want to play. Oh. I can't even hear the song. I'm not trying to get copyrighted. You put that. So what is this? Oh, you can record how many seconds. I think this is for 2 times max is like it automatically records for you. Okay. Oh, you can put it like how fast you want or whatever, and then there's effects. These are the effects right here, but we ain't gonna do that. Forget it. There's a timer. There's a timer. Oh my god. So it can time it for you. The angle. So how do you get angles? Look how sick this is. I need to get on Reel. Y'all gonna see me do Reels, but it's not gonna be a lot, you know. Wow. And then what is this? That's like if you're gonna take a picture or whatever. So, but how do you add and do transitions? That's what I have to learn. You know what I'm saying? Oh, and then you could add a next one right here. So 1, 2, 3. That is sick. Y'all. That's how you do it. I just figured this out, y'all. It just automatically, so you stop it, you keep going. I feel like this is easier. I don't know, TikTok looks a little hard to me. That's why I haven't got it. But I already have a built-in app. Wow. Okay. Okay. And then you could save it. Wow. Okay. What is well-being? That's what I want to know. Well-being guides. Oh, see, I didn't even know about this. This is like a story, you guys. Wow. There's travel. So is it an IG thing too? Oh, it is. But it's on the Explore page. Okay, that makes sense. There's archive. There's the next video. There's food. This is to get your code. Oh, right. Wow. They really stepped up. So yeah, that is what I learned. What else? Did I tell you that there's badges and shopping? Yes, I did. Yeah, that is all I learned. They said you could make a playlist and all. Wow. IG really stepped up. I haven't been on it. Like, I am on it, but not too much because it's too time consuming. I'll be on it and then I don't go to sleep because IG. But yeah, if you guys have Instagram, add me. It's going to be down below in the description. Like I said, y'all, please read my description because sometimes I forget to put it in the comments. So please read my description, okay? My IG is going to be there. My IG is even in my intro, but I haven't been putting up my intro lately. But yeah, my Instagram, if you guys want to follow me, is XO_KAMILEE XO_. So yeah, you guys follow me. That is all I learned. Wow. So there's IGTV. There's Reels now. You could add your story. You could get monetized. But in order to get monetized, let me show y'all. In order to get monetized on Instagram, I think you have to have 10,000 followers. They're really pushing everything. Like, when I first got Instagram, I wasn't serious. They're coming out with new apps and stuff. I need to step my game up. Yeah, I'm not really finding it. Y'all comment below. If I find it, I'm going to correct myself. It keeps saying 1,000. More than 1,000. I don't know. And then one says you have 1,000. You can make money without Instagram with 1,000 followers. So I really don't know. They said there's other ways to make money on Instagram, but I don't know. But what I learned today is to monetize your page. They said is the IGTV and the shopping. So like the shopping and the badges. There's gonna be badges in there. So yeah. Sorry I couldn't get that much information, but like I said, if I do, I'm gonna put it down in the description. In the description, and I'm gonna fix it. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video, which I'm about to make in about two hours. Let's just say 2 hours because it's 2:46, right? No, in about an hour. Okay, because I'm starting at 4. But yeah, I'll see you guys. Bye, y'all.